Welcome to Grandma's Wise Advice, where we keep it real, raw, and oh so satisfying. Whether you're here to spice up your love life or simply curious about what makes intimacy truly unforgettable, you're exactly where you need to be. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often whispered about but rarely explored in depth: the 3 types of vaginas men absolutely crave during sex. Trust me, by the end of this video, you won't just know about them. You'll have a golden tip that will take your connection, confidence, and pleasure to a whole new level. So, grab a glass of wine, dim the lights, and let's talk about what makes the bedroom sizzle. And hey, if you're loving this content already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get into it. Before we begin, every body is unique, beautiful. Before we break things down, let's get one thing straight: there is no perfect vagina. Forget what the internet, magazines, or locker room talk may have told you. Every woman's body is unique, and that's what makes intimacy so damn beautiful. But here's the secret: understanding what many men find pleasurable can help you feel more confident and connected in the bedroom. It's not about comparing yourself, it's about knowing your power and owning it. With that said, let's break it down into 3 types that drive men wild. Not because of looks, but because of how they feel, how they respond, and how they can turn up the heat in the bedroom. 1. The Snug Fit Vagina: tight, gripping, and oh so intense. Let's start with the Snug Fit Vagina, the one that makes men lose control the moment they slide in. This type is often described as tight, warm, and incredibly stimulating, creating a firm grip that hugs every inch. But here's the thing: it's not just about tightness. It's about the way the muscles contract, squeeze, and pulse around him. For men, this feels like pure heaven. That velvety embrace, the rhythmic contractions, and that delicious resistance that makes every thrust feel intense. Want to take it to the next level? Ladies, if this sounds like you, or if you want to enhance that snug sensation, Kegel exercises are your best friend. Strengthening your pelvic floor muscles can turn your vagina into a playground of pleasure, making every movement even more electrifying. And if you really want to drive him crazy, try gripping and releasing around him during penetration. It'll have him begging for more. 2. The Textured Vagina: sensation, friction, mind-blowing pleasure. Next up, we have the Textured Vagina, the one that keeps men on the edge with every stroke. This type is all about pronounced inner folds, ridges, and natural texture, creating an unforgettable rippling sensation during sex. Imagine waves of pleasure cascading over him. With every thrust, he's feeling something new, something different, something intense. Think of it like a massage from the inside out, one that heightens sensitivity and makes every moment unpredictable and explosively pleasurable. Want to amplify this sensation? Play around with different angles and positions. Some positions press his shaft deeper against those ridges, maximizing the friction. Doggy style is a killer choice for this, as it lets him experience every ridge, every fold, every inch of that addictive sensation. And if you want to get really naughty, squeeze those thighs together just a little tighter while he's inside you. You'll feel every inch of each other in ways you didn't even know were possible. 3. The Deep Spot Vagina: passion, depth, full-bodied pleasure. Now, let's talk about the Deep Spot Vagina, the one that gives men a sense of complete immersion, depth, and ultimate satisfaction. This type is often associated with a longer vaginal canal, which can create a feeling of deep, intense fullness for both partners. And here's a little secret: men love the feeling of being completely engulfed, buried deep, and locked inside you. For couples who love deep penetration, this type of vagina can heighten pleasure to an entirely new level. It's about connection, intensity, and the kind of sex that makes you both gasp, moan, and lose yourselves completely in the moment. Want to unlock its full potential? Try positions that encourage deep penetration, like missionary with legs over shoulders or reverse cowgirl, where you control the depth and intensity. And ladies, here's where communication becomes key. Guide him, show him what feels best, and don't be afraid to express what you want. Because when you take control of your pleasure, it makes the experience 10 times hotter. Why confidence connection matter more than anything else? Let's be real. While different types of vaginas offer different sensations, the real turn-on is confidence. The way you own your body, move with purpose, and take pleasure into your own hands. That is what makes a man obsessed. Confidence is the secret ingredient that makes sex unforgettable. So whether your anatomy aligns with Snug Fit, Textured, or Deep Spot, the biggest game changer is how you embrace your body and share your pleasure with your partner. Men are drawn to women who own their sexuality. When you move like you know you're desirable, when you take your pleasure seriously, it creates an energy that's magnetic, intoxicating, and impossible to resist. The golden tip. Communication is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Here's the real secret to a mind-blowing sex life: communication. Ask him what drives him wild. Tell him what makes you drip with desire. Be open to trying new things and exploring together. Because when you both feel heard, seen, and completely in sync, the passion goes through the roof. Tonight, start a conversation with your partner. Tell him what you love, ask what he loves, and let that build into something unforgettable. Final thoughts. And that, my loves, is the deep dive into the 3 types of vaginas men crave during sex. But more importantly, why confidence and communication are the real game changers. If you enjoy this spicy little talk, make sure to hit that thumbs up, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more intimate, seductive, and empowering content. And remember, every body is beautiful, every vagina is a temple of pleasure, and every relationship has the potential to be extraordinary. Thanks for watching Grandma's Wise Advice, and I'll see you in the next one, where we keep it sexy, confident, and unforgettable. Stay wild, stay sensual, and most of all, stay confident.